Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. BJP patriarch Advani quits post-Modi coronation, resigns from National Executive, Parliamentary Board and Election Committee. BJP stalwarts pleading adamant Advani to take back resignation. Admissions for 11th Science and Arts to begin at Chowgule from Tuesday. Classes to reopen from 17th June. College declares merit list of 250 students. Heavy rain lashes Goa. Youth from Kakoda Savote drowns at Wazre Bhatpar. Creek crashes down on NH17B at Vasco. Rain crosses 10 inches mark. Congress to train MLAs for strong opposition. Modi mania will not affect Congress. Cannot compare Modi with Rahul. Congress Goa desk in charge Sudhakar Reddy speaks to Prudent. And government hands over the Vasco minor rape case to CBI. Government confirms. Government issues order according consent to Delhi Special Police Establishment. Now the news in detail. Lal Krishna Advani has quit all the posts in BJP, a fallout of Modi's elevation. Advani has resigned from National Executive, Parliamentary Board and Election Committee. Advani in his letter to party president said that he is unable to reconcile with the current happenings in the party. Present members in BJP are more concerned about their personal agendas. Advani has retained his primary membership and chairmanship of NDA. Now party stalwarts are trying hard to persuade Advani to take back his resignation.
गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी को चुनाव अभियान समिति का चेयरमैन घोषित किया है।
Narendra Modi's elevation has shown the repercussions within 24 hours. Lal Krishna Advani has quit all the posts in BJP. Modi's promotion has divided the party. Advani camp is highly offended. Stalwarts from Advani camp, Jaswant Singh, Yashwant Sinha, Uma Bharti, Shatrughan Sinha, including Lal Krishna Advani, skipped National Executive meet citing health reasons. Advani has now resigned from the Election Committee, Parliamentary Board and BJP's National Executive. But Advani is still the president of NDA and a primary member of BJP. Advani sent his resignation to Rajnath Singh on Monday afternoon. Advani in his resignation letter says, "I have always served BJP and Jan Sangh and I'm proud and happy about it. I'm finding it difficult to reconcile with the way party is moving at present. Party is going in a wrong direction. I have no feeling that this is the same idealistic party which was formed by Dr. Mukherjee, Deen Dayal ji, Nanaji and Vajpayee ji. Most of the leaders are concerned with their personal agendas rather than party's welfare. I have decided to resign from National Executive, Parliamentary Board and Election Committee. This letter may be regarded as my resignation letter." Advani lobby always ensured that Modi was not elevated as prime ministerial candidate. Most of the members from Executive Committee of BJP were not ready to accept Advani's stand when news of Modi's elevation as campaign chief was making rounds. BJP National President Rajnath Singh had hinted this during Workers' Convention at Taligaon. He said, "A leader has to be popular to be eligible to lead the masses." Whom was Rajnath Singh pointing to?
लोकतंत्र में जो लोकप्रिय होता है वही नेता होता है। मुझे यह फैसला करने में रंश मात्र किसी प्रकार की हिचक नहीं हुई है।
Being on big post does not work. A person should have a big heart. Narendra Modi had opened his speech by saying this at Taligaon convention on Sunday. This he had said referring to Rajnath Singh. But is Modi hinting at Advani too?
मित्रों, राजनाथ जी बोलने के लिए खड़े हो गए, मुझे बिठा दिया। वैसे बाहर के लोगों को इस घटना का मूल्य समझना बहुत मुश्किल है दोस्तों। सिर्फ पद होने पर व्यक्ति ऐसा नहीं करता है, दिल होने पर करता है।
How should one interpret Parikar's remarks?
As the age goes, maturity improves. But as you go beyond a certain age, your ability to take decisions slowly declines.
What do you think the age should be?
No, I think anyone beyond 65 should review his own position and should not convert himself into a vegetable.
Is that a message then you're sending to Mr. Advani?
No, not at all, not at all.
The whole episode looks like staged and well scripted. BJP stalwarts on Monday tried a lot to convince Advani to withdraw his resignation.
माननीय अडवाणीजीन हे सगळे झाले गेले विसरून परत पक्षाची धुरा आपल्या हातान घेवची, आमकां सदांच मार्गदर्शन करीत रावचे. आणि आज देश, सगळो देश, अख्खो देश जे कितें हे केंद्राचे सरकार या काँग्रेस पासून जो सगळ्या देशाची जनता हे करूंक सोदता, ह्या असल्या कठीण प्रसंगी तांणी परत एकदा नेटान आमकां सगळ्यांक खंय तरी ताकद दिवपाक फुडें सरचें, राजीनामो फाटी घेवचो आनी परत कामाक लागचें.
Now the word is out instead that many leader loyalists of Advani might also rebel against Modi's coronation. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Chowgule will start admission for 11th standard Science and Arts from Tuesday. The classes are scheduled to open from 17 June. The merit list of students who had applied for Arts and Science was declared on Monday evening on the website. Total 250 students are listed in the merit list, 199 for Science and 51 for Arts. More than 350 students had applied for Arts and Science in the higher secondary. Meanwhile, classes for 11th and other higher secondaries across the state began from Monday.
Admissions for 11th standard in Chowgules will begin from Tuesday. The merit list was declared on Monday evening. Over 350 students had applied for Arts and Science stream at Chowgule. There would be 3 divisions for Science and 1 for Arts. Total 250 students are listed in merit list, 51 for Arts and 199 for Science. The classes are scheduled to start on 17th June. However, classes of other higher secondaries began from Monday. Students and parents are upset over the delay.
Admission are not solved. Still, there are about 80 and odd students without admission. College already start झाली. म्हणजे भुरग्यांक admission जाला. 19 दिसाले parents आणि students भोंवताय पिशा भाशेन like running around to take admission as an education minister, but he has not even postponed college.
मी सध्या तो रोजरीन बी एडमिशन करून दवरलेले आसा. 14 तारखेक सब्जेक्ट टू विड्रॉवल, 14 तारखेक ते सेकंड लिस्ट काडटले. पण तशेंच हो वीक असो कंप्लीट गेलोच असो जालो.
मग तुम्ही वेटिंगार आसा?
आमी रोजरीन वेटिंगार आसा, पण आता कितें आसा सगळे हाय पर्संटेजीचे सगळे एडमिशन घेवन मोकळे जाले.
18 तारखेक कितें कोर्टाचें डिसिजन जावपाचें आसूं जाल्यार 18 तारखेक कोर्टाचें डिसिजन जालें आनी तें हाजे फेवरच जालें जाल्यार आमची तुगेलें हें कितें जबाबदारी कोण घेता? म्हणजे ऑफकोर्स गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू टेक. गव्हर्मेंटान तुगेलें एश्युरन्सूय दिलां एज्युकेशन मिनिस्टर, पूण आमचे कडेन तुगेलें सद्या तुगेली फॉर्मां घेतिल्ली ताजेर कांय ना. तो म्हणजे रिकॉर्ड आसा आपल्या कडेन. फॉर्मां तरी घेवन दवरूंक जाय आशिल्लीं न्ही, तें बी घेनासतना दवरल्या.
पण हाजे नंतर आतां जर हांगा मेळना जाल्यार आमकां आनी खंयच एडमिशन मेळना. रोजरीक मला विड्रॉवल केलें जाल्यारूच मेळटलें म्हणून 14 तारखेक. आता सध्या आम्ही आता 10 दीस जाले, 16 दीस जाले आता भोंवतात, अजून एडमिशन मेळना.
However, even if the admissions are through, the fate of students depends upon the High Court's verdict. The hearing of the Chowgule's plea is scheduled on 18th June. College has already cleared their stand that if the verdict is in favor of the management, the procedure to shut down the higher secondary section will begin. But the principal of Chowgule College says newly admitted students will not be dumped. All eyes are now set on the verdict of court. Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Monsoon has begun in full swing in the state, and so are the problems and other calamities. A youth from Sawadne Kakoda drowned at Wazare Bhatpar in Karkona on Monday. A huge rubber tree crashed down on NH17B in Vasco on Sunday midnight. Nalas have started choking and main road are submerging in rainwater, creating discomfort to the traffic. Seasonal rain has crossed 10 inches till now. Watch a report.
Incessant rain is lashing Goa for past 4 days. People have started witnessing the yearly phenomenon of problems with just the beginning of monsoon season. At Mapsa, on the way to Mapsa Kalangut Road near Bodgeshwar Temple, the Nala has choked up. This is a regular scene in monsoons. The PWD water pipeline is the reason behind the blockade. Mapsa Municipality Chairperson Sudhir Kandolkar assured to remove the pipeline.
Pipeline old आहा ती जी साकवाच्या पोन्सून आहा ती काडपाक जाय ती काडले जाल्यार प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जाता पण आता परत वचून ताका रिक्वेस्ट करता कितें प्रॉब्लेम आहा तो पळयता आनी काडपाक जाय.
A huge rubber tree crashed down on National Highway 70 near a hotel at Wade, Vasco on Sunday midnight. Fire department did a good job by clearing the road within 2 hours.
हे आमकां कॉल येयल्ले ते सकाळी 1:30 सुमार कॉल येयल्ले सो इमिजिएटली आमी आमचें कार्टिंग ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट केल्लें पूण झाड व्हडलें आसलेलें आमकां खूब टायम लागता पयलें आसतलें आतांच आमचें तें सोंपलां कार्टिंग करून. डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंटाची हेल्पिंग हँड प्रेझेंटली तरी मेळोंक ना पूण पयलीं आमी आमच्याच फायर ब्रिगेडीच्या लोकांनीच पयलें कार्टिंग स्टार्ट केलें. सकाळीं मागीर आमकां रिक्वेस्ट केल्या उपरांत तेवूय आमी रिक्वेस्टेड वास्को MLA ताणें आमकां ताबडतोब थोडे लेबर दिवन धाडले पूण नॉर्मली आमकां अंडर डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट लेबर पळय मेळपाक जाय 1st of this month अजून मेळोंक ना.
And water clogging continues at Madgaon near bus stand. This is just a trailer. The whole monsoon season, a span of 3 to 4 months, is ahead. Rain has till now crossed 10 inches mark. Meanwhile, a youth from Kakoda Sawadde drowned near Vazre Bhatpal in Kankon. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.